Very good morning. So, in this lecture series, we are going to talk about formal languages and automata theory. Let's try to first understand the meaning of this entire thing, formal languages and automata theory. So, let's first discuss formal languages. Now, what does it mean by formal languages? The things or the strings that are generated by certain mathematical models is a formal language. So whether a certain set of strings is identifiable by some mathematical construct, then we say it to be a formal language. Now we are going to study such formal languages, such mathematical constructs that can either recognize or generate languages or certain strings. So they are capable of, these constructs are capable of identifying a certain type of strings, and this collection of string is called a particular formal language. While on the contrary, when we talk about automata theory, the word automata is plural of automaton. The word automaton, automaton, and this means machine, right? So this is singular word, this is singular, while this is plural. So ultimately it means that we are going to study about machines, the mathematical machines. Now, since here we are going to talk about mathematical models of machines that can recognize certain type of strings, that can generate certain type of strings called languages, we are going to talk also about the computation involved in that. And if I'm going to talk about computation, definitely I must be interested in what is computation. Now, once these things are done, we are going to talk about some basic models of computation. Now, when we say basic models, so it means that we are going to give you some kind of ideas, intuitions, how the computational models, mathematical models can compute the things, or how we can abstract them into mathematics so that we can have certain kind of model that can help us know what kind of computation or what kind of things can be computed. So in this particular course, we are going to discuss about whether we can study the complexity of a problem, whether we can study the complex capability of a computing engine or computing model. We can whether we can say that one computing model is more capable than another computing model. So all these kind of things we are going to study in this particular case, in this particular subject. And we are also going to try to bridge the connection between these two. So these are the strings and these are the computational models. So we want to know what kind of strings can be generated by what kind of computational model, what kind of machine, what kind of mathematical machine it can generate these kind of languages, or what kind of uh, machine can recognize some of these languages. So these are the things that we are going to talk about in this lecture series. Thank you.